Today I'm going to show you how to make a toad in the hole. You will need 115 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 300 millilitres of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil. I used vegetable oil, but any flavourless oil will do. 4 sausages. Now you can increase this to 8 should you want 4 portions. I was only doing 2 and I didn't actually use all of the batter. So if you did want to increase your sausages to have it as 4, you would have enough batter to make it for 4 portions. And salt and pepper to taste. So to start with, we're going to make our Yorkshire pudding batter. So to your milk add your eggs and your flour, and then the salt and pepper to taste. And then just give this a really good whisk. You can do this in a bowl if you want. I do it in a jug because it's easier to pour and I'm not making as much washing up then by just having it in the jug. And just whisk it until all your ingredients are really well combined, and then just pop to one side. And then to a roasting tin. Mine was 28 centimetres by 18 centimetres. Add your oil and your sausages and pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 7, 220 degrees centigrade or 200 fan assisted for 15 minutes. Then, working as quickly as you can safely do, you want to turn your sausages over and add your batter and then pop straight back in the oven. So we want that oil really hot for the batter, and that's what makes it really rise. As mentioned in the intro, I only used a part of my batter, so I added it to halfway up my sausages. So if you wanted to use a bigger roasting tin and have more sausages, then you've got enough batter to do that. Like I said, I was just doing this for 2 people instead of 4. And then pop back in your oven at gas mark 7, 222 degrees centigrade or 200 fan assisted, and bake for a further 25 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make toad in the hole.